This video is about the benefits of maintaining the ink temperature in rotogravure and flexographic printing processes. As the print run progresses, the ink temperature tends to rapidly rise above the ambient temperature. The higher temperature leads to increased solvent evaporation, an unpleasant solvent odor, reduced print quality, higher top-up solvent consumption, and an increased risk of fire. The Valflow Ink Temperature Stabiliser ITS cools the ink to prevent such evaporation-caused fugitive solvent losses. Ink from the pump and filter pass through the inner tubes of the stabilizer and go out to the ink tray. Chilled water flows through the ink temperature stabilizer shell and over the outside of the tubes through which the ink flows. The water flows in the opposite direction of the ink flow. This counterflow helps in effective ink cooling. Thus, the ink is cooled without the ink and chilled water coming in contact with each other. The solenoid valve and controller maintain the ink temperature at the set value throughout the process. Using the Valflow Ink Temperature Stabiliser ITS ensures minimal evaporative solvent losses, reduced solvent odor on the shop floor, a healthier working environment, better print quality, reduced risk of fire, and increased profitability.